To add an Atok address to Trust Wallet, you'll need an Atok account and the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. First, install and open Trust Wallet. Then click on Manage Crypto at the bottom left of the home screen. From there, find and select BNB Smart Chain to enable it. Once enabled, you'll see it listed under Crypto. Next, click on Manage Crypto again and tap the plus sign at the top right to import your crypto token. Select Token under Import Crypto and choose BNB Smart Chain as the network. To find the correct address, search for Atok contract address on Google and click on the first link, which should be the BNB Smart Chain Explorer. Atok Token Tracker. Scroll down to the Other Info section. Find the token contract with 18 decimals and click the Copy button next to it. Then, return to Trust Wallet, enter your PIN, and paste the copied address into the Address field. The other fields should fill in automatically, and you can click Import to add the Atok token to Trust Wallet. To send Atok tokens from the Atok app to Trust Wallet, click on Receive next to Atok. Copy the address and paste it into the Atok app under Receiving Address. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the fees and press Transfer to complete the transaction.